Ona thengia wa wagagu uria urigiceirie kuhingurwo gwa thukuru guku bururi-ini, maabitha anene ministry-ini ya githomo matongoretio ni Minister George Magoha makoretwo makigia na cikaro na anyiti itemi kwarira mikarire ya arutwo wona cukuru cia hingurwo. Magoha agitena gikaro na arutani a arutwo a mathomo ma urutani kaunti-ini ya Embu na cabi ya kuhingura cukuru ici iria arauga no ihingurwo na ihenya iri na uhoti wa thukuru ici wa kurumirira mawatho ma kung'ethanira na murimu wa COVID-19.
That you arrange to make sure that at least by the time they are opening, they have tested for COVID at least the previous 2 weeks, so that we don't have a situation where we spread the outbreak for nothing and people die for nothing.
Magoha augite no nginyagia cukuru ici igie na mubango wa gutigirira arutani aria marathoma ni magia na ihinda riganu ria kwiruta o ta uria ari mutugo wa kalenda yao ya mathomo.
We have to be innovative. How do we deal with that aspect of teaching practice? If at the same time that you are open, maybe the schools are not open.
Because I think again, this teaching practice now should have been relevant for the CBC, isn't it? Are you still teaching them the old one so that we will retrain them again?
Nao arugamiriri a kiama kia arutani guku bururi-ini KUPPET marenda ruhonge rwa uthuthuria ruhanyukanie na aria maragithia ciana cia airitu thayu ihinda-ini riri cukuru ihingitwo.
Education officers at sub-county level and zonal levels should be empowered to receive reports of sexual abuse of school-going children and to follow up these reports with local administrators and prosecutors to ensure faster resolution of cases of sexual offences.
No murigo wothe maugite wagirirwo ni kuigirirwo cianda-ini cia aciari kuona nio mahetwo wigiririki wa kurumbuia ciana ihinda-ini riri.
Na hapo awali mlikuwa na madharau kidogo na walimu, lakini tumewachieni watoto kwa muda wa miezi mitatu tu. Zaidi ya watoto 1400 wana mimba na wanadhulumiwa kule nyumbani. Lazima wazazi wachukue sehemu yao kama wazazi.
The high prevalence of teenage pregnancies call for the establishment of rescue centers and special schools for mothers with children. At the moment, some of these facilities have been developed in areas with the endemic FGM cases or in marginalized countries. The schools should be mainstreamed to cater for young mothers who experience challenges whenever they resume studies in regular schools.
Ministry ya githomo yaugite cukuru ciahota kuhingurwo mweri-ini wa kenda no gukuringana na kana murimu wa COVID-19 ni ugakorwo unyihanyihite gwikinyiria hindi iyo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.